Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by creating a Semrush project for your location and entering exact NAP and primary domains so data aligns. Once done, connect Google My Business and Google Analytics to import impressions, clicks, and audience signals. This gives accurate local context. Next, enable position tracking, site audit, and listing management right away so Semrush can collect rankings, crawl issues, and citation status. You set national versus local tracking options now, pick city or radius targeting, and schedule daily or weekly updates to get ongoing insights. You run a full site audit and prioritize fixes that block crawlers or hurt mobile usability. Fix broken schema, duplicate content, and crawl errors first because they directly affect local visibility. Then use keyword magic to find high-intent local queries, include city names, neighborhood terms, and service modifiers, and filter by volume and SERP features so you know what to target. Next, configure position tracking. Add competitors, set the exact city or radius, and watch featured snippets, local pack presence, and review-driven snippets. You finish by fixing listings with listing management. Update inconsistent citations, remove duplicates, and push standardized NAP to top directories to stabilize local signals. Then monitor reviews in Semrush. Track sentiment, reply promptly, and set a simple process to request fresh reviews after service completion so trust grows. Finally, export a concise local performance report and schedule automated delivery. If rankings drop or NAP changes appear, check recent edits, crawl errors, and listing duplicates. That single audit usually reveals the root cause.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.